My name is Ralph Rio. I'm the Vice President of Software Solutions at ARC Advisory Group. Now, ARC Advisory Group is a think tank for manufacturing companies and utilities. Anybody who makes stuff, whether it be discrete, process, or in the case of utilities, power or water. So we advise them mostly about technology adoption and how it can improve their business processes and achieve an ROI. We also do a lot of market research, quantitative market research, which is the foundation of our knowledge base. And on top of that, we provide advisory services. So a big topic at this conference was the industrial Internet of Things and use cases where it's being adopted. And we see the primary use case has to do with predictive maintenance. It's an area that's been pretty much unaddressed. It's a white space, for lack of a better term. And we see initially the Internet of Things going into that in a big way. So what is predictive maintenance all about? It's about preventing unplanned downtime. Unplanned downtime can do a whole bunch of bad things. Number one, it stops production, meaning you can't make product, and it impacts revenue, which usually gets executive attention pretty quick. So that's a particular painful situation, and we've seen the industrial Internet of Things go into that in a big way, where people are applying analytics based on the data coming off that particular piece of equipment and using that to forecast when it could fail or when there's a problem, and alerting somebody way before it fails so they can fix it before it stops production. You know, fix it sometime when it's normally off of production, not being used. So there's no real business impact. So that we see as the primary driver, at least initially. With that adoption, we're starting to see it migrate into many other areas. One example may be operations. So they're already pulling data off the equipment, they're doing analytics on it. We start to see people using it to prove the operation of the equipment, improve its performance, get better ROI.